I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling specified materials and printing a tulip petal template. This saves fit-check repetition. First, cut 6 petals from vellum and trim their bases so they sit flush around the LED. Once cut, score the base curve lightly so each petal wraps. This improves light diffusion. Make a 1/2. You now assemble petals into the tulip cup. Overlap 2 petals and glue at their base, then add the next pairs so petals interlock. Because vellum is fragile, make small glue dots rather than long beads. This prevents rippling. Once petals form a cup, insert the LED and check light spill. If one side is dark, widen the adjacent gap slightly. Make sure the wire stem passes through the center hole and is twisted tight so the petals stay aligned. You finish by gluing the petal bases to the stem and hiding the LED wiring inside a small base. This stabilizes the night light. Once mounted, test for wobble and reglue any loose joints. If light appears hot spotty, gently widen petal spacing or add a thin vellum diffuser over the LED. That evens illumination. If the LED flickers, check battery contact and reseat the LED. If it still fails, replace the LED. Cheap, quick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.